Living in northern Colorado means dealing with chilly mornings, brisk fall evenings, and those long, cold winters. That's why it's so important to have a heating system you can rely on. At Greeley Furnace Company, we offer a full range of services to keep your home comfortable all year round. Whether you need a new heating installation, fast furnace repairs, or regular maintenance, our experienced technicians are ready to help. We work with all types of systems, from traditional furnaces and boilers to heat pumps and radiant floor heating. Our pricing is always upfront and affordable, with excellent rebates available for installations. Plus, Blue Chip VIP members enjoy exclusive discounts. Regular maintenance isn't just about comfort. It can save you money by preventing costly breakdowns and catching small issues before they become big problems. If your heater stops working, our team can quickly troubleshoot and repair the issue, so you're never left in the cold. Trust Greeley Furnace Company for reliable, friendly service every time. Call us today at 970-356-0121.